Hey makeup lovers, welcome to Enchanting Eyes, where every week we'll be bringing you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. In today's video, sticking with YouTube's super trendy videos at the moment, we are going to be testing out all our foundations, taking all of them, mixing them up, and then putting it to the test and seeing does it work, yay or nay. So I think this trend started out with Safiya Nygaard, which we will link her video below, but it's been super trendy. I know Manny MUA, I think Nikki Tutorials has done it, so we thought we'd give it a try. So if you wanted to see if it worked out, if it's worth the hype or not, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've got a combination of dewy, matte combination. I've mixed all my tones. I don't know how this color is going to be. It might be a bit dark, but let's just go ahead and apply it. Oh my word. This is like painting a house. I'm guessing it's going to be full coverage. Yeah, this looks like I'm from proper paint from the hardware. Oh, getting it in my hair. Okay. Let's go in with my beauty blender and blend this out. Like, my pores actually look good. Maybe there is method in this madness, because so far I'm actually really enjoying this. I feel like once I do my under eye color and I put on some bronzer and highlighter and actually like a lip color so I don't look like a zombie, this can actually look really good. Maybe there is some method in the madness in the method in the madness. I don't know. Maybe this is the answer to all my prayers, because I feel like sometimes my foundation is too matte, but then sometimes it's too dewy, and then you have to bring down the dewiness with a powder, but then you lose some of it. Maybe this is the answer. I'll just use my matte foundations and my dewy foundations and mix them together, and some are like full coverage and some are like medium coverage. Maybe I'll just get like the perfect foundation. You see, I'm trying to tan at the moment for the wedding, so see, color doesn't look like it, but I'm pretty proud of it. But then the rest of me is very pale, so for here it's great, but then when I get more tan, then I'll just tan my face hopefully. So I feel like it's really nice. It's like not too matte, it's giving me a little bit of shine. It's covering all my areas that break up apart around my nose. I feel like you can't see any of my pores. Full coverage. Really, really nice finish. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows and finish with my eyes and give my face some color, and then come back and then we can see how everything looks together. So I'm actually sort of like shocked with how this foundation turned out. When I'm like saying I'm living for this, I feel like you might be like, that is so dramatic, really. But I feel like even if your eyes are nice, your brows aren't pretty, whatever, if your foundation's breaking apart and looking really shitty, then really it doesn't matter what else is going on. So I'm really living for this. Let's see if it lasts really long, but yeah, good, challenge done. Anyway, if you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.